installation successful. Yeah. What's up everybody, Andrew here from ISC Suspension. Today we got our Accessport from Cobb Tuning. Pretty excited about this. This is for our 2023 Maverick project car. Cobb jumped on board with this, so super excited about that. And we are even more pumped to get it installed and see what a difference it makes. So we're obviously too excited, so we already opened it up, but we'll do a little unboxing, if you will. Get the traditional Accessport cover. You know, I get this black cover, which is pretty sweet. So probably gonna throw that on at some point for sure. Get the case here to hold it. This is what we're going to use to plug in to the car to upload the software and actually keep that going so we can monitor everything when the truck's running. So let's get right to it. Shop's a little cramped today in here. There's a lot going on, still some winter storage stuff. So we're gonna do this outside, but it's pretty nice out today, so shouldn't be a problem. We had the Maverick for a little while now, as most of you following along are probably aware. We got our new wheels last week. The coilovers were supposed to show up today on an air cargo, but unfortunately there was plane mechanical issues supposedly, so those are going to show up now on Monday. So soon we will have something to show you as far as the aesthetics of the truck, making it handle better, making it look better. So let's get to it here. Alrighty. Pretty easy to access on this truck, which is sweet. Let's do the install, fellas. Maverick. Why don't we do some stage 193? I just realized there's a quarter tank in here. I don't remember what fuel it is, so I'm gonna go down to 87 just to be safe. And then what I'll do, we can reflash it once we fill up the tank with some 93, and we can do a comparison of that after as well. All right, so we just backed up that ROM. We just updated the new map. We're gonna do, like I said, the 87 stage 1 for now, just because I don't remember what fuel's in this thing, right? So once we get some 93, we'll change that map. But we got installation successful. All right, let's fire this thing up. We put the exhaust on a week or two ago. Matt did that. So just a catback. At least it gives it some sound. Reminds me of my Focus ST I used to have. Sounds pretty similar in my opinion. So I'm gonna let this warm up real quick, play with these gauges a little bit. I'm gonna tuck these wires just to clean it up, and then we'll do a little test drive. All right, I'm gonna try it in the traditional operating mode, and then we'll shoot over to the sport map on the factory console here and see if there's a noticeable difference between the two. Oh. Well, I had enough power to throw the camera off the mount here, so. So let's go over to what do we call it? Sport mode. So let's see how things change here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's definitely significantly noticeable with this stage 1 87 Cobb tune in conjunction with the Ford Sport mapping here. That was a pretty good little little pull right there. We can let it eat a little bit more here. I think it's a 55. As we get there. Yeah, I mean, that got to 70 pretty quick. Not bad. I like it. Shifting definitely feels good. So successful install with that. Definitely happy with it. Looking forward to driving it more later this weekend. And yeah, one more step for the Maverick. Hopefully we got some wheels, tires, and coilovers next, so we can get rid of that gap right there. We got, looks about 10 inches of gap to fill, so we'll put the coilovers to the test on that one. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.